The 15-hour ride on day 2, I know it started out in good spirits. We started out on time at the crack of dawn.
It's going to be a long ride. We'll be starting early in the morning at 5 o'clock. It's a 330 kilometer stretch. So it's going to be a long ride. Woo! Himalayas are calling. We are coming.
We didn't knew the kind of hardships and the kind of experience that we will have through that 15-hour drive.
That you could never, ever wanted to wear. Chinese made, India made, American made, nothing works.
You can never prepare for this, right?
Stop.
One of the things which kind of I remember was Isha dropping the bike, which made me feel a little better, because if an experienced biker like him could drop, who am I not to drop it?
One tip is, if somebody falls down, do not try to help him.
Off-road, where the roads are bad, people are going next to each other. That is the most stupid thing anybody can do.
From Serchu to Pang, it's a long stretch, 80 kilometers full of off-roading. After that, we have a Tarkul road. So please keep in mind that you have to maintain the speed.
Careful who you cross, careful who you test. Give me your worst and you'll get my best. Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. Careful, I'm a lion, don't test my pride. Standing like a mountain, looking the devil right in his eyes. Know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. Got no limits, I got no fears. Only got my blood, my sweat, and my tears. Know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down.
Man, this is something. On a rating of 1 to 10, this is definitely has to be 10.
Thanks to Yash, he actually came beside me and he told me to give a full throttle, handle straight, tough handle on your knees. Last 15 minutes was a bomb. Like I was running in the mud without even a vision. And I'm going to do off-roading going forward. Trust me, this is the bomb. No other road.
Do you think you'll like anything when you go back to US?
I don't think so, buddy. Man, we did the ultimate thing. What else we
It's
can
time to GS 1300. Let's go to Peru, Chile, Andes, Colombia.
do? Now your next bike is GS.
Most probably that.
And one thing which comes to mind is the song Gazab ka hai din dekho zara ये दीवानापन सोचो जरा, हम भी अकेले तुम भी अकेले, मजा आ रहा है कसम से. Even though at one point I kind of doubted if I'll be able to finish this ride because of how brutal that was, I think our whole group pushed forward, propelled each other to Leh, which was, I think, really, really commendable.